Okay guys, backyard scrapping here. It's early Sunday morning and we are going to go pick our winners for our 300 sub giveaway for our skulls. So I got the page up already. Let's put this in, close all this junk. And let's see, we had 72 unique commenters. So let's go ahead and see who the winners are. Todd Miller wins our very first backyard scrapping 300 sub skull. So let's see what his comment said. It says, I have to get up here my camera, that's just a little weird, but anyway, it says, congratulations on 300 subscribers and many more to come. My friend, awesome prizes for your giveaway. I love the skull bars you pour and your magnet. Very nice. Thanks for the opportunity, BYS. Good luck, everyone. And he has the word skulls in here, or skull bars. He has the word skull right there. So, Todd, you are eligible, and you get our first BYS 300 sub skull. So if you would just drop me an email. I think I have your address, but let's go ahead and follow the rules and everything. So go ahead and just drop me an email with your address on it, and we will get that right out to you. So let's see who is going to get the second BYS 300 sub skull. And by the way, guys, I made a dozen of those and they were gone within like 2 days. So, and to those, the last ones will go out Monday. All right, Willie the Coin Viking gets our second skull. So Willie, congratulations. Let's make sure his comment, yes it does. It says awesome skulls, buddy, and congrats on 300 plus subs. So he used the word skulls. So Willie the Coin Viking, would you please drop me an email? My email and information is below in the comments area with your shipping address, and I will get that right out to you. So now let's pick our final and last skull, guys. This is the last one. Here we go. Who gets the third BYS skull? Let's see. And Redneck Stacker, my Canada buddy. Alrighty, Redneck. I think like I said, I may have you guys' address, but go ahead and just drop me an email with your address in it. And I know you're up there in the northern land, but I'll figure out a way to get it to you. So, alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope everybody has a wonderful day. I've got a bunch of stuff to do today. I did have some stuff come in, but I've already started doing these little project videos, so I've got a couple of them actually started. I'm going to finish them up, and then we'll be doing some refining again. So everybody have a great day. Congratulations, winners. You have 7 days to drop me an email with your information. If not, if I don't hear from you, then we will draw somebody to replace you. So anyway, most of you guys I know, so I know you'll get me your info. Have a good one, guys. I'm not really awake yet. I had to do this first thing, so we'll see you in the next one.